Hi everyone, welcome to day 3 in Orlando, is that right? Yeah, it is. We are just in the car on the way to Blizzard Beach. We ended up running out of time this morning, which is why I'm vlogging in the car. So yeah, today we're heading to Blizzard Beach, which is a water park, and the weather doesn't look as great as what it has done the past couple of days, which is a bit of a shame, but fingers crossed it will work to our advantage, because one, maybe not as many people will go, and two, it might break through, mightn't it?
It's still blue skies.
It looks pretty blue, so fingers crossed. And as my mum always says, you tan through the clouds, so we should be okay. So yeah, so we're just heading there now. Are you excited? Yeah. Very, very excited, yep, there from Henry. I'm quite excited to have a bit more of a chilled day. The last 2 days have been like really, really full on and busy, so it will be nice to be a bit more chilled. But we've got the GoPro, so we're gonna try and do some stuff going down the slides if we're allowed to, and bits and bobs really. And then I think tonight we haven't decided yet what we're gonna do, have we? But we're gonna be back at the hotel.
What time we get back?
Reasonably early, I'd imagine, or earlier than what we have done the past couple of nights. So I don't know. We'll see what we fancy doing. But yeah, we're just on our way there now. We'll be there in about 10 minutes. That's not too bad. And then I think we'll try and vlog throughout the day if anything interesting happens.
So what are you eating?
Got chicken strips and very big chips. Look at them.
Beef chips.
They're big strips, aren't they?
So what have we done today?
Done a few slides, haven't we?
Yeah.
You've done a few slides, I haven't. I did a couple.
The weather's quite good though for a water park today.
It's warm, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which is good.
I mean, it is slightly sunny, but it's also a bit grey, which is quite nice.
Yeah.
So at least we're not sweating it out while we're waiting.
and we are back from Blizzard Beach, and we stopped off at literally a huge Walmart on the way home to get some snacks.
I don't think there's such a thing as a small Walmart.
No, but this one was definitely bigger than the one we visited on our first day.
You think?
Yeah, I think so. It was huge. But yeah, we had a good day, didn't we?
Yeah.
It was quite hot. It was definitely, the weather was better than what we were expecting, because the weather report was like stormy, but it was really hot.
Yeah.
So that was good. How many times did you swim at Plummet Hen?
4.
4 times. We
And
did.
now my bum hurts.
Your bum hurts.
And my back.
So we did have the intention of coming back and getting dressed and going for dinner, but we've got in and we're a bit like, because we got there reasonably early this morning and we've been on the go all day, haven't we?
Yeah, we've not really been in the shade or anything either.
No, so we're feeling a bit,
It's them stairs. If anyone else has been there before, they know.
You'll know.
Them stairs up that hill.
So we're feeling a bit tired. Harry put us on the telly, so we've decided to order another pizza, but from a different place this time. So we'll see.
I'm getting it delivered.
We're getting it delivered. We're
Ultimate
like,
of laziness.
stuff it. And then at least we can have a bit of a nice chilled night, can't we?
Yeah.
Because tomorrow's going to be a busy day because it's my birthday. So yeah, we're going to have a busy day tomorrow. And the next few days are going to be quite packed. So it's quite nice to have a chill night. We'll have our pizza. And yeah, so I'll vlog when the pizza comes. I'm going to go have a shower now, wash my hair, get into my PJs. I think we're going to have a bit of a chilled evening, which should be nice. Before I go for a shower, I thought I'd quickly show you a little food haul that we got from Walmart. So I picked up some Pop-Tarts. These are s'mores flavours because we do have a microwave in the hotel room. So I've got those, and if I don't eat them all, I can take them home. I got some Flips, which is chocolate covered pretzels. These are literally my favourite thing ever, but they are a fortune back in the UK, but this was something like $2. So excited. We got some more Cheetos, and some pizza flavoured Pringles, which I've already been munching on. Yum. So our pizza delivery let us down. We ordered pizza twice from the same place.
3 times.
3 times from the same place, and it just kept cancelling. It's now almost 10 o'clock, so we've given up, and we're gonna just eat our snacks for our dinner and then go to bed. So yeah, probably gonna end today's vlog here.
This is because of the karma. This is
what karma?
The karma of having fast passes and walking past all them poor people in queues.
Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. Yep. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day because it's my birthday, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.